Hello and welcome to Statescoop TV's series on the journey to the cloud. I'm here with John Bunn. He's the General Manager of Microsoft State and Local Government Practice. How you doing, John?
I'm doing well, Jake. Thank you.
So, John, we're talking about cloud today. Tell me a little bit about what you're seeing across the community with how cloud is helping state and local government succeed in achieving agency mission.
Well, cloud, as you know, is a very broad topic. So I think from my experience, having now been in this business since the beginning that Microsoft formed state and local government almost 15 years ago, I've seen sort of the onset of cloud, much like cloud or client-server computing, almost that kind of impact on how they do their business or how our agencies do business. The first thing that we saw was a pretty aggressive adoption towards O365 and taking messaging and collaboration. It was really, I would think, when you compare it to commercial accounts, they were really leading the charge in state and local government across cities and counties and in states.
Absolutely. And so tell me about some of the more interesting cloud projects that you've seen across state and local government, either right now or coming soon.
Well, there's a lot in the works right now. I think what we've seen is sort of the evolution from the low-hanging fruit of getting the SaaS applications, or in our case O365, deployed and used, kind of has led more towards how do we take that infrastructure and do more with it. And I think a lot of the more innovative transformation is happening around the IaaS and PaaS in particular space. And
sure.
I would highlight some of the more transformational work that's going on in a state like California, where they've sort of really have adopted cloud as a way to transform citizen services. And
sure.
You see that from their hosting of their lottery, the way even in line of business is starting to use Azure as a platform to deliver services for their employees, for their agents that are going out, their caseworkers, and automating that, and also giving families of their population that they serve in social services that's being cared for outside of their home, and it's giving those families access to see their schedules and as a way to sort of check on how they're doing in real time.
Sure. So what emerging technologies like artificial intelligence or blockchain excite you the most, and how do you see them influencing the work of government and ultimately citizens?
Well, we're seeing real examples, real-time artificial intelligence being used. LA, the city of Los Angeles, is a good example of. We did a hack fest there where they took a lot of the developers that really didn't know much about cloud development, and through like a 3-day workshop, we're able to create this bot, and they're using this bot as a way to provide access for citizens, again, a good citizens-facing application to navigate the procurement process and professional licensing process in LA. And we also see the state of California doing similar things. So we think bots are right there on the horizon, and in some cases, like in LA, being used today. Then blockchain has got really almost unlimited opportunity. They talked a lot about the potential for blockchain at this conference that we're at here, in fact. And I know some of the work is early on, but we've invested in it significantly since the beginning, and we really see the potential for things in health and human services or anywhere where chain of custody is important for tracking things or people. In the case of HHS, I think it's a meaningful technology that will be adopted pretty broadly. And we're aggressively driving with many states, including Illinois, in that regard.
That's great. That's exciting. So, what types of solutions are helping agencies modernize? We hear a lot about legacy technology at conferences like these. And what solutions are helping agencies modernize? And are there any emerging technologies that you could see assisting in modernization?
Well, I mean, we're in a great time right now, right? So we're investing. Microsoft's investing $15 billion a year in their infrastructure. So our data centers, and $1 billion of that is being put into security, just on security. So. And anything that, in the traditional lines of business of government, which were largely on-prem, big monolithic kind of welfare systems, or that you think about the core business of government.
Sure.
Those applications now have an opportunity to be completely modernized and really componentized, and much more rapid development and rapid adoption as well. So we're working across the SI, the systems integration platform, because I think that world is going to dramatically change, and we're starting to see that in some states that are modernizing even things like Medicaid or their MMIS systems, and looking to leverage our cloud services for that.
That's great, John. Look forward to seeing how cloud is going to continue to change state and local government. Thanks for being with us.
Bet. Thank you, Jake.
For more about what John Bunn and the team at Microsoft are working on in the cloud space, check out statescoop.com. I'm Jake Williams, Statescoop's Associate Publisher and Director of Strategic Initiatives, here with John Bunn, the General Manager for State and Local Practice at Microsoft. Thanks for watching.